In this video, I'm going to show you what link you add into your email sequence. And there's been some confusion. I find some people adding their capture page link into their email sequence. No, what you want is your sales page, this sales page here. So if you're a legacy builder, this is the one you want. If you are in digital mastery, this is the one you want. The one that is called the squeeze page. It's called the squeeze page here. It's called the sales page here. So that's the one you want, okay? The passive daily, you want the squeeze page. Launchpad, you want the squeeze page. And this is your website, okay? So for the legacy builder, this is my link. And this website is the one, when you view funnel, is the long page that you have, not the short page, not the one you enter your email. You want the long page. You want this page. This is the page you enter into your email, okay? The page you edit with your photograph and your buttons. This is the page you want inside your email, okay? So let me show you what you're supposed to do. You're going to copy this link, okay? And then you're going to go to your emails. You're going to go to your campaign and membership area. You've got to import your email automation, okay? So I'm going to assume that you have already downloaded. This is also the link. If you click on this link, you have to have your Systeme open and it's going to populate into your system, okay? And this is your email campaign that is now populated, okay? And you get that from your members area. From your members area, you click on the link and it will open up. So here we have, here is your blueprint, okay? You've got to change your name here, edit your name here. So I will do Cedar here. It's Cedar here. Okay, I scroll down where you have this link. Go here to your blueprints. You have to add either your video link or you add yes, your video link. You add your video link in here. Okay, and then where is here, you put your website link here. And your website link is the link I told you in your funnel. So I'm just going to go back and show you the website. So I did a video for you on how you can find your website link. So for this video, I'm just going to show you your website link is the one that says sales page, okay? And squeeze page, whatever the level, squeeze page. If you are in Launchpad, it'll be your squeeze page. That's your website link. So here we're going to go with Legacy Builder website link, and you're going to copy this link, okay? You want to copy the link. You don't need to click it several times. I just want you to know that it's copied. When you click on it, this notification comes to show it's copied. So once you've copied this link, this is your website link. This is what you want to add into your email sequence. So we're going to go back to the email sequence and I'll show you exactly what to do. So here your email sequence, everywhere it says put your website, you're going to delete this and you're going to put your website. Another way I do it is that you can just say click here. Get it here or click here. Like click here. And then you highlight it. You highlight it. You don't have to highlight it, but if you just want to make it a bit neater, you highlight it and you put the link in there. And you click this little check. And it's there and you can delete this one. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to do the highlighted click here or you just want to have the link showing up. Okay, you always want to make sure that your link is highlighted. That's when you know it's activated. If it's not highlighted, it's not clickable. Okay, and then you want to change your name here. You can say Cedar, and then you want to remember to save. Not save and test, but save. So click save. It saves changes. Then click it a second time just to be sure. Okay. And then you go to exit. You exit. Okay, and then you go to the second one. And you do the same thing. You put your video page link here. Your video page is the video page from your capture page. Okay, I'm going to show you where that is. So I've got video option 1. I know it's no longer option 1, option 2, and option 3 because they've taken away the extras and just giving you one capture page. So imagine that this is your capture page. You want to go to your video page and you're going to copy the link here, okay? And then you're going to go to your email sequence and you're going to add your video page link here. You're going to delete that and you're going to put the link here. If you don't want the link to show, I don't like the links showing, so I'll just say something like, click here to watch the video, okay? Always read your email so you know exactly why you're adding things. And then you do this to check and it's in there. So this is how I like to have my links inserted. Some people just like it open. I don't like it open, okay? But it's your choice whether you want the link open showing or you want to link, hyperlink, put some words and then have your link inside. You can do that. Always read your emails and then make it sound more like you. And you have to change your name here, Placida. And then you can also say, you'd love it, make it more you. So you can say to your success, success, I can't even spell. Okay, so personalize your email. Don't change it too much, but personalize it. Okay, and here where it says put your payment link here, you want to go and you want to put your website link here. Yeah, because your website link is where, because if you say payment link, you've got, depending on what product you're selling, you've got 3 products, so you don't want to put 3 payment links, so you put your website link there. Okay, and your website link, I'm just going to copy it again and add it here so that you know. Okay, so here's my funnel, and then the squeeze page here is always the first page. Your website is the first page of each product, and you don't need all of it. You only want the website of, if you're in 600, you want the website of the 600, the website link of 600. Then you copy the link, then you go to your email sequence and you add your, I like to do click here to get started. Yeah. I spelled it well. Yeah, I did. Okay, and then you hyperlink it, doing this. So they click here, they're going to go to your website. Okay, so I hope this video has helped. I always say to everyone, my clients know this, save, always save, exit, read your email sequence. Don't just change the links, read it. So you know exactly what messages you're sending out there, okay? Read your email sequence. And I wish you all the best in your business. I wish you all the best. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask and I'll be happy to do a video for you.